Adding vinyl to a pillowcase to create custom home decor is super easy. Hey guys, May Flom here, and I've got a simple little pillowcase that I want Minnie Mouse to be added to for the fall season. So I am using the ScanNCut230D. This ScanNCut DX machine has built-in Disney files, which you see me selecting, and I'm sizing this one to 10 inches. Because I'm doing a 14-inch pillow. I want it to be fairly large on the front of the pillowcase, but not too large. So in other words, I don't want it to be so that the pattern is curving all the way to the seams. So once I've got this done, guys, this is super easy. And once I have loaded my mat and picked out my vinyl and all of that good stuff, all we have to do is go all the way through the steps and cut. And because this particular pumpkin file is big enough, I am going to just cut this, and we're putting our heat transfer vinyl with the shiny or the transfer sheet side down and half cutting it, meaning cut the vinyl, not the backing. And that's obviously very important. Now I have scanned this so that I can see where my material is and make sure that I am getting my best possible cut. That's really important with your vinyl. You want to make sure with your materials that you're getting the most out of it, and with the ScanNCut, you can do as much as you want. So the great thing is once you're done cutting, you say select next part, or add if you're doing more than one piece. Add the pieces you want and move them around. Now you can see it's still showing orange, but here's what we're going to do. We're just going to hit that scan button, and it's going to scan my mat in. As you can see, there it goes, rolling on through. And it's going to show me where my bow material and my white glitter material, both heat transfer vinyl and again, transfer material side down. It's going to show me where those are, and then I can move my bow and move my facial features to make sure, again, that I'm getting the most out of those smaller pieces of material. Love that about my ScanNCut. Now in here, just so that I can show you, because I didn't before, here in the tools, you can select the different things, and if you go up here, you're going to see half cut. Half cut on means it's going to cut the vinyl, not the backing sheet, which is very important, as you'll see in this next step, as I very quickly, because we're in fast forward, weed. And weeding just means I'm removing all the pieces of vinyl that I don't want to heat transfer. And then as I have them done, I'm just layering them on top of one another to make sure I like what I see, to make sure I like the colors, I like the sizing, I like everything. And because we used a pre-made pattern, all of the sizes are, all of the pieces are sized to fit together perfectly. I absolutely love that. And this is such a fun fall pattern. The little pumpkin Minnie Mouse, she's one of my favorites. So once I see that I like everything, I've got a nice hot iron, and I'm working on a felt mat. Ironing board would work as well. I'm going to place a material over the top just so I don't singe my material, and then I'm going to press with my iron, remove the transfer sheet, and then put my smaller pieces, repeat that process, and lift away. Now, if it doesn't all lift away, what do? Well, we just know that means it wasn't fully transferred, and we stop and redo it. Do some more heating. Once it's done, you can be done, or you can do other things. I decided I wanted some little stitches around the bow, so I'm just stitching here back and forth, just kind of a little cute little running stitch there for Minnie's bow, just to add some contrast. We could add anything else that we'd like, as much or as little as you would like. It's your project. The fun thing about this is I made my pillowcase. You don't have to. You could use a purchased pillowcase. You have so many options to customize your decor and have fun with your ScanNCut. Hope you like this video. I'll see you next time.